So good morning to one and all. So I am Govindraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Engineering. Here we are going to see the video lecture on displaying or travel cells in a singly linked list. Okay, what is a travel cell? Is nothing but we having a n number of nodes present in the given linked list. So each and every node we are visiting. Okay, should be visiting is nothing but reading each and every node present in the given linked list. So take an example, it may be a 5 elements, it may be 10 elements, maybe 1000 elements. So each and every node going to visit whether an element is present in the linked list or not. That is called as an travel cells visiting. So you take an example, we are having a 5 different types of nodes present in the given linked list. Okay, that is the first node is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. Totally we are having 5 nodes present in the given linked list. So each node occupies two different types of fields. That is, one is data field, one is called as an address field. In data fields, 2, 52, 18, 36, 13 should be stored in each and every node. Okay, and then an address field is going to point to the next node in a given linked list. Okay, it's going to point to the next node address is 2000, and the second node points to the third node address is 3000, and the third node points to the fourth node address is called as 4000, and then fourth node address points to the fifth node address is called as 5000. At the end of the linked list that we call as an address field, we have to represent null. Okay, null represent end of the given linked list. So another pointer is called as a head pointer, pointing to the first node of the given linked list. What is the first node? 1000. Okay, it's going to point to the first node address. Okay, so head pointer plays an important key role. Travels is nothing but going to visit each and every node present in the given linked list and finally print a certain data elements. What is data elements? 2, 52, 18, 36, 13. Okay, that we call as an printing or travel cells or displaying a certain elements in a given singly linked list. Okay, so what are the condition we are going to check is we have two possibilities. What are the two possibilities called as an check whether the given node is empty or not. Okay, if there is an empty, that is head pointer equal null, means there is a no node, nothing is present in the given linked list. We right away we can say the list is empty. Okay, if there is n number of elements present in linked list, means we have to visit each and every node and finally print the elements present in the given link. This is the scenario. Okay, here we are going to see the certain programs in a given linked list. Okay, this is the first possibilities. So what are the first possibilities is, so void display. Void is called as a return type. Display list is a function name. Here we are going to display a memory allocation for a temporary variables. Okay, that is we are going to create a pointer variable. Start is a keyword. Node is nothing but a tag name. Start temp is a pointer variable. Okay, this pointer variable plays an important key role in a linked list. And then the first condition is we have to check the head pointer equal null. If head pointer equal null means there is no node, there is no element, anything else that is not present in the given linked list. Straight away we have to define printf the list is empty. Return means it can able to exit from the display list. Okay, this is our first possibilities. Okay, you have to check whether head pointer equal null means there is no node present in the given linked list. We can straight away say that list is empty. This is the first possibilities. Okay, and the second one, else part. In else part, check there is it may be a 1 element, it may be a 2 element, 3 element, n number of, that is called as an existing element present in the given linked list. Okay, displaying each and every elements present in the linked list that we call as a travel cells or visiting. Right. So take an example, we are having a 4 elements or 4 nodes present in the given linked list. Okay, the first node having 4 elements present in the given linked list, that is called as an 11, 22, 33 and then 44. Okay, so each and every elements present in the linked list Okay, that is elements present in the linked list called as an 4 element that we call existing elements. Alright, and then each node having a different address fields. Address field is 2000, 3000, 4000. So what the meaning says, it's going to point to the next node in the given linked list. 3000 point to the next node, that is adjacent node. 4000 point to the next node in the given linked list. Alright, that is first node 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000. So what is our aim is, we have to visit each and every node and printing the certain values present in the given link 11, 22, 33 and 44, that we call as a traversal display. Okay, head pointer point to the first node is a given linked list. The first node is called as 1000. Alright, so already I had explained, we have created a temporary pointer variable. Okay, start node temp, start temp, and then else part, if there is an existing node present in the given linked list, we have to assign temp equal head. Okay, already head equal to 1000. 1000 means it's going to point to the first node in the given linked list. Same thing here also, temp equal head means temp. What is the value of head? That is 1000. Head equal 1000. Automatic temp equal to 1000. Okay, 1000 means the address of first node. This also point to the first node in the given linked list. Okay, why I am doing like this means, the head pointer does not move from one pointer to the another, that is one node to another node. The temporary pointer can able to move from first node, second node, third and then fourth and finally reach at the end of the destination. End of the destination is called as an end of the linked list called as destination. Okay, that we call temp equal head. Temp equal 1000 means it's going to point to the first node of the given linked list. So printf, the elements present in the list are head. Okay, so I'm getting an output called as an head. Here I'm going to mention that is head. So while temp not next not equal to null, that is temp not equal to null means, what is temp value? 1000. 1000 not equal to null. 1000 not equal to null means automatic condition true, because if null equal to null means condition false, come out of the loop. So we have to check the condition true, are going to print arrow, and then percentage d. What is percentage d? Percentage d is called as a decimal point specifiers, and the temp defines data. Look at this example. What is temp? 1000 pointer data. We have two fields, one is data field, another is called as address field or next field. Data field means 11. 1000 pointer data equal to 11. I'm getting output as 11 properly. Okay, this head pointer should be implemented to the second node because that we call as a visiting. Alright, how can able to move from this pointer to second node? Automatically temp equal to temp defines next. What is temp define next means? What is temp value? 1000. 1000 next. What is 1000 next? 2000. So automatically temp equal to 2000 should be reinitialized. Okay, this head pointer, that is temporary pointer, changes as should be changed into here 2000. Okay, temp equal to 2000. So 2000 means it's automatically so move from this location, that is temp equal to point to the second node because incrementing, that is temp equal temp next, link to the next node in the list. And then check the condition, while loop condition, while temp not equal null. What is temp now? Temp equal to 2000. 2000 not equal to null. Condition true because here there is a value. So printf arrow d, that is here I am going to get the pointer d, temp data. What is temp now? 2000. 2000 data is 22. I am getting output as 22. Alright, so after that temp equal temp next. What is temp? Temp is 2000. 2000 next equal to 2000 next, that is temp equal to this temp 2000 2000 next is 3000 because it's going to point to the next node in the given linked list. So automatic link is here terminated because temp equal to temp equal to 3000. Should be changed into 3000. Okay, I understand 3000 means the link is made from temp equal to 3000. It points to the third node in the given linked list. Alright, so temp equal to 3000. Okay, 3000 automatically check the condition. 3000 not equal to null. Condition true or false? Condition true. Okay, so printf arrow %d. Alright, here I'm going to print the certain data as temp defined data. What is temp now? 3000. 3000 data is I'm getting output as 33. Alright, and then this pointer should be moved from the next node in the given linked list. How can I able to move temp equal temp next? What is temp now? 3000. 3000 next is 4000. Automatically temp should be changed into should be changed into 4000. Okay, this pointer also change from 3000 to 4000 in a given linked list, and then now temp equal to 4000. Okay, and then check the condition while temp not equal null. What is temp now? 4000. 4000 not equal null. Condition true or false? Condition true. Come inside the loop and then printing arrow %d. Temp defines data, that is temp pointer data. What is temp now? 4000. 4000 data is 44. Here I am getting output as 44. Alright, 44. Enter properly, and then temp equal temp next. Okay, temp should be pointed to the next node in the given link. What is next node? Next node is called as an, it should be changed. It's going to point to the next node. That is next node is nothing but it's going to point this location. This location is called as an nothing present in the given linked list, that we call as an null, null. Okay, automatically temp equal to here, that we call as a null. Alright, here it should be changed temp equal to, now temp equal to null, and check the condition again. Temp not equal null. What is the value of temp? Null. Null not equal null. Condition true or false? Condition fails, because null equal null means condition true, it can able to come out of the loop. It should not be executed properly. And finally I am getting output as head 11, 22, 33 and then 44. Okay, this is my proper output. Okay, so thank you for watching this. And then same thing, this is an algorithm for displaying an element in the list, singly linked list. So already I explained that we have to check the two conditions. One is check whether list is empty or not, that we call as head equal null. If it is empty, then display list is empty and terminate the function. Okay, and then if the list is not empty, okay, if there is some element present in the given linked list, that time we are going to initialize a temporary pointer, and then we have to assign temp equal to head. Alright, and then check the node elements. Node elements means temp not equal null. Using a while loop condition, keep displaying temp defines data. Okay, until we are going to define the temporary pointer data means 11, 22, 33 and the 44. Like this goes on until it reaches the last node of the linked list. Alright, and finally displaying temp data. Okay, we have to move the pointer. That is pointer is nothing but temp equal temp defines next. Okay, it should be point to the next node in the given linked list. If temp equal null means it come out of the while loop condition. Okay, this is an algorithm. This is an example program I taught you here itself. Okay, this is an output display an element in the list. Okay, we are having 4 operations. So main thing is called as a display list. Okay, already and enter some elements in the present linked list. The elements present linked list are 11, 22, 33 and 44.